Good afternoon, everybody. I've been trying to get this up now for about a half hour. All right. It is now 3 o'clock. We're going to try this one more time. All right. The earthquake updates and the tropical cyclone update. We'll do the earthquakes up first, okay? The Discovery earthquake cap had a 5.4 off the coast of Chile at 14.8 miles in depth. USGS downgraded that to a 5.2. All right, Japan had a 4.9 at 13.9 miles in depth. The Iona Sea, there was a 4.5 at 6.2 miles in depth. Indonesia, just before I started this, had Discovery app said there was a 5.1 at 37 miles in depth. USGS says, nope, it was a 4.9. There was a 3.8 Venezuela at 50 miles in depth. There was a 4.7 Japan at 3 miles in depth. A 4.7 Argentina at 100 miles in depth. There was a 3.8 off the shore of Southern California at 1.2 miles in depth. A 4.9 off the Gulf of California, that's between Baja and Mexico, and that was at 6.2 miles in depth. I was reading that wrong. A 3.7 El Salvador at 2.5. A 3.3 the Mediterranean Sea at 44.3 miles in depth. Southern California had a 3.7 at 1.3 miles in depth. They had a 3.1 Southern California at 0.9 miles in depth. A 4.7 Fiji Islands at 363.5 miles in depth. And the Kuril Island, Russia, had a 4.7 at 6.2 miles in depth. All right. Tropical Cyclone Alcide. All right. Moving south at 1, max speed of 80, gusting to 100. By this evening, they're saying around 7 o'clock. That's when they change it, I guess. It will be changing directions. It's going to be moving northeast at 0, max at 75, gusting to 90. By the 10th in the morning, they're saying AM, they're saying that it'll be moving northwest now at 0, max wind is 70, gusting to 85. By the evening of the 10th, they're saying it's going to be moving west now at 5, max wind is 65, gusting to 80. By 2 a.m., they're saying, I don't know how they can pin down the time like this, but they do, or they say it is. It'll be moving west-northwest at 5, max of 60, gusting to 75. By the morning of the 12th, they're saying it's going to be moving northwest now at 5, max wind of 40, gusting to 50. By the evening of the 12th, they're saying it'll be moving northwest at 5, max wind of 30, gusting to 40. And it has got no more numbers after that, but it's got a long icon in front of it. That's all I have right now, guys. You have yourself a beautiful day, what's left of it. As you can tell, maybe you can't because I got the camera facing me, the sun's out. It is 65 degrees here. It feels like fall. All right. So I am going to go enjoy the day out front and pull some weeds. Hey, what else do you do in the fall but pull weeds? God bless you. You guys be safe out there. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. 2 thumbs up for you guys. Have a great afternoon.